G here from OG Creations. Happy New Year! I hope you got through New Year's Eve without the champagne hangover, but in case they're raging, I'll be a little quiet. Just remember, hair the dog works. I'm celebrating this last day of Yuletide with the Yule Oxford, which is now available for purchase at ogcreationsstore.etsy.com. I'm starting with a men's light purple, long-sleeved button-down Oxford purchased from my very first employer, The Gap. Using the Geo technique, I gather the material in small sections and secure it using sinew, moving down an inch or so and securing it again. I repeat this over and over again until I'm left with a big knotted ball of purple shirt. I then soak the Oxford in a soda ash bath for 20 minutes and set it aside for 24 to 48 hours until it's practically dry. I completely covered the Oxford in dry dye powders in shades of Lilac, Orchid, Plum Blossom, and Nightshade. I then apply a layer of soda ash. Wanting the Oxford to be completely immersed in color, I flip the shirt over and repeat the exact same process. Finally, using a plant mister filled with extremely hot water, I saturate the shirt with mist and then set it aside for another 24 to 48 hours. It is rinsed thoroughly in cold water and then ran through the laundry using a cold water cycle and then a hot water cycle. It is dried completely, ironed, inventoried, and ready to ship. The end result was even more vibrant and spectacular than I had envisioned. I loved it so much I ran right out and purchased more shirts from the Gap so I could make one for myself. I hope you have enjoyed your holiday season and the new year brings only the best to you. Working my way to 100K in 2023, please make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what you would like to see created next.